Well, hello everybody. Welcome once again to Clean 8 Bits. My name is Edwin, and today we are going to be cleaning my cell phone, which is the Galaxy S7 Edge. Now this video is going to be pretty general for anybody who owns a cell phone, but this is the current model that I own, so this is the one we're going to be cleaning. I believe it's already been about 4 years since I purchased it, and it's been through a lot. But one thing that I always make sure is that I clean it regularly. And the reason is because it gets all oily and greasy from touching it, my fingers, and sometimes also when I put it against my face. Believe it or not, your phone is one of the things that has the most germs, so you gotta make sure that you clean it at least once a week. Let's get started. Now to clean it, I'm gonna be using one of the most precious materials in 2020. That is correct, some good old-fashioned toilet paper. The second most valuable thing in 2020, and that is some good old-fashioned alcohol, 70%. I'm also going to be using a Q-tip. Alright, let's get to it. As I said, I've been having this phone for a very long time, and this is the cage that I bought for it originally, and it's still holding pretty good. You always want to have a cage on your phone because you don't want it to fall and shatter all over the place. You always want to keep it protected at all times, and holy moly, oh boy, oh my, what happened here? How is this even possible? You did not do your job. Get out of here, chicken. All joke aside, one time I wanted to have my phone without the case. I listened to some Joe Rogan podcast way too long, and they convinced me to take off my case off my phone and to learn to handle my phone and whatnot. What happened was that this phone is extremely slippery, and one time when I was sitting down, it slipped off my pocket and it landed on the ground, and there it went, my beautiful phone that I had been taking care of for so long. And as you notice, this phone is a fingerprint magnet, so that's why it's even more important to make sure that we keep it clean. I'm going to start cleaning the case first. So if you notice, it's pretty dirty, and this is going to catch a lot of the hand when you're holding your phone. So a lot of this, the buttons that you press and the back of it, it's going to collect a lot of grease and a lot of germs. So we want to make sure we get rid of all of those too. I'm going to grab about 2 squares of toilet paper, which is worth about $500,000 at the moment. Grab some alcohol. And then we're going to grab the case, and we're going to clean all around the edges and the back. Yeah, making sure we get all of this. You can tell this is poor quality toilet paper because it leaves a lot of residue. I cannot imagine how my behind must look like after I wipe it with this toilet paper. Make sure you get all these edges here, but we're gonna come in on those spots with the Q-tip. Let's see. This is why I love using alcohol to clean items, because it evaporates faster than my paycheck on a Friday. So you notice how dirty this ended up. You can barely see it, but there is some dirt on it. It looks dark. I make sure that I clean my phone at least once a week, if not every other day. So it was fairly clean, but still dirty. Now what I'm gonna do is grab some alcohol, open it, and stick the Q-tip in there. Make sure that this tip is soaked in alcohol. Okay. Then I'm gonna grab this and go all over the spots where it was really hard to reach for me with the toilet paper. This area here where the buttons go, there has been some build-up residue in these edges here. I don't know how well you can see that. Trying to get that out. On the top here in between these buttons, and then we are also going to make sure we clean the bottom part right here. Okay, get that out. Put this in. Stick it in there. Okay, just gonna use the alcohol that remains from the Q-tip on the back. This is like a plastic. It's not like a really soft plastic, it's kind of hard. And I believe that because it's really old, since I bought it like 4 years ago, the plastic has kind of dried up, so it's not as soft as it used to be. I am planning on changing phones pretty soon, so I'm not gonna bother buying a new case at this point. Then we're gonna grab the phone and let's clean the phone. I am gonna use the remaining toilet paper just because we don't want to throw it away without it serving some purpose. We don't want no lazy toilet paper here. And I am gonna hold it like this. I hold it like that so I'm not touching the top, and then I'm gonna go like up and down with some alcohol. And holy crap, this leaves a lot of residue. I'm not liking this. But usually what I do is, can you hear that? It's leaving everything squeaky clean, but the residue of this toilet paper is unbearable. It's just leaving all this residue on my desk. Wow, I really need to change toilet papers. What I'm gonna do is go grab a microfiber towel that I have there somewhere, and I'll come back and clean it. Hopefully the toilet paper that you have at home is not poor quality like this one. I've gotten with me a couple of microfiber towels. The reason I'm gonna use this is because this toilet paper that I got must be the lowest quality ever toilet paper invented, and it leaves too much residue. Okay. At least we know that the alcohol disinfected the phone and left it squeaky clean. I'm gonna put it back in the case, and I am gonna definitely not use toilet paper to clean my phone anymore. What I'm gonna do is just use this small microfiber towel with some alcohol, of course, so that it does not leave me any residue. Alright, well there you have it, guys. It's a clean cell phone. It's been disinfected. I hope you guys really liked this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like and share. And if you would like to see me do more videos like this one, please don't forget to subscribe. And as always, don't forget to clean 8-bit.